open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins.
This is just floating in the water, isn't it? It's not even moving.
Up to 15 years old, but in the natural habitat they can live up to 40 or 50. Very sad. But at least we can see them now in a natural habitat.
Bottlenose dolphins.
I think so.
I got them. I'm videoing it, so.
That's what I'm doing, but when I'm videoing, there we go.
Bottlenose dolphins.
I can't see them on the screen.
Fun facts about dolphins is that if you see one with the belly with the color of pink, it means it's a female and she's ready to mate. Wow, wow. It can also means that she's pregnant, one of the two.
Come off again. Probably missed that, but okay. Oh, I just got an amazing shot of them. Yeah. What was that?
Okay, we have the whales and the dolphins here mixed together. So just so you know how to tell the difference between each other, the skin of the dolphin will be gray. The skin color of the whale will be a little darker, kind of like black, and with their back it will have a little gray. The dorsal fin of the dolphin will be pointy and thin, but the dorsal fin of the pineapple will be wider and taller with a curve. The male will have a strong curve pointing down, and the female won't have that strong curve. You will have three males pilot whales. Three pilot whales males? Just so you guys know, it's illegal to swim with the dolphins and the pilot whales or any creatures whatsoever that is wild. I don't know, have you ever think about petting a bear or a wolf? It's the same thing with the dolphin and the whale. We're talking about a whale that can be nearly 3,000 kilograms and 6 meters long. And a dolphin that is 4 meters long, 500 kilograms, that can swim up to 45 kilometers per hour. It's not a good idea.
No.
One of the captains that used to work here in this company swim with a bottlenose. A good idea. They're beautiful though, and they are friendly, but humans
They're
are
close
like 80
now.
kilos.
Keep thinking that there's one over there just sticking its fin out or something, but I can't see.
Dolphin's right next to it.
Oh yeah, you got a whale coming up over here and dolphins over here. Look. You can see the fin.
You've got the whale there, Kirsten, the dolphin's there.
Whale there, you just seen that. And you've got 3 dolphins over here with their fin sticking out. You can see it here. Look. You can mainly see like 1 or 2, but there are 3 there. Whale just popped up again. Oh, there's a whale getting closer to the dolphins. Oh, I know, it's over there, okay. Two right next to each other. They're little ones. They're going towards the other one there. They're going in that direction.
Okay, hold on.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got the splash.
You will have them again at the front left hand side. Okay, está en la prueba aquí saltando. Oh, look, we have the entire family now, yes! Okay. Bueno, ya está cansado.